Hi everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle for Teachers 2018. In this video, we want to see how students can view the blocks on the page. As you see here, this navigation bar on the left and the navigation bar on the right includes some blocks, that is some squares, some structures that provide us with various information. And in the middle of the page, you see the body and the content of the course. Okay, let's begin from the left-hand side with Nelly's YouTube channel. In this channel, we can subscribe. If you subscribe to this channel, you can watch the videos that Nelly has provided for us on her YouTube channel. Beside these blocks, there is one minus. If you click on it, the content of the block disappears, and again we can add them to be visible. And also there is another place you can click, then you can see the block here on this part, and by clicking this part again we can see it on the navigation bar. The next block is my latest badges. As you see, badges of week 1 and week 2 are provided here. Then we've got a block that links us to the activities. We went through activities and resources previously. Now we can see different parts here. For example, choices. First of all, we were asked to choose the type of the course that I selected the fully online. And also we've got forums, the forums we have participated, our discussions, conversations here, as well as different links to group self-selections that we are going to work on next week, podcasts, resources, and with IQ classes. That is the record of the synchronous sessions at the end of weeks. Another block includes people, that tells us about participants, who are the participants of the course. And after that, another block shows us who is online at this moment and for the last 5 minutes. Also, there is another block in which you can add comments, and you can also see a few last comments. Now let's go to the right hand side, the right navigation bar. There is a block including latest announcements. Then we've got this sticker that Nelly gives us based on the quality of our work. I love it so much. This really gives me encouragement and motivation. And also another block includes upcoming events. Also we can know about blogging, blog menu, adding blog entries, and going to different blog entries shared by others through this blog. And also we can search for different entries. The other one is Exhibits Portfolio, through which we can go to different links related to Exhibits Portfolio. I have already created a video tutorial about it. And searching forums. This block also can help us search some things, some subjects in forums. Also, at the bottom of the page, we've got blocks here, administration block. We've got blocks on the right, we may have blocks in the center, and also on the left. In addition to the blogs, you can take a look at different links here that direct us to different weeks, activities, and resources. And also here we can be directed through these links to different courses, different sign-up ways, again different information about the source, and also we can go through our notifications. We can take a look at our preferences in the profile and go through different options, and also we can log out here. This is just a summary of what you can see on the first page, and I'm sure you can learn a lot more through discovery and self-exploration. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice time. Bye.